Hey, it's me, Melissa with Vasquez Vintage here. Just checking in. So we're over here doing shipping. So that Monday's not too crazy. Although I must say that our sales are down quite a bit on eBay. Although I just had a sale for some $60 boots, so always grateful for that. So I'll go ahead and print that label. But anyway, just the reality is that sales are down. But either way it goes, I still want to try to be ahead of the game so that I can get on to the next thing tomorrow. So, is anybody else doing their shipping right now, or are you doing it tomorrow, or what? Also, if you haven't already, you can try to do pick up at your house if you are trying not to go out too much. So far, UPS, if you have UPS packages, they're still doing normal free pickups for your packages. FedEx, you can schedule a delivery, or I'm sorry, a pickup, and USPS has that service also. Who knows how long that's going to be the case as far as everybody being able to do it, but for resellers who have packages every day, you can schedule it on USPS.com. So again, if it's something where you're trying to stay in, or maybe you have all your kids and you can't really go, try scheduling pickups. But that's what we've done already. But I just forgot that maybe some people didn't remember that you can do that. So again, just try to make things as simple as possible so that you can work on all the other things that are coming up for you. That we didn't foresee before. I hope everybody's doing all right. But yeah, let's keep hustling. No stopping now.